the Big Prot M802 hearing aid. The RIC hearing aid is easy to use with a one-button power switch and effortless volume adjustment.
It's good.
Making it ideal for seniors with limited finger dexterity. With advanced features like 114 dB max sound output, it offers a comfortable fit, clear sound quality, and strong noise reduction. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with a durable charging case that lasts up to 120 hours. A quick charge just needs 1.5 to 2 hours. With a sleek design and superior sound quality, it's the hearing aid you can trust every day. And when you are out in the park, surrounded by nature, your hearing aid lets you enjoy the sounds of the world without missing a beat. It's designed for comfort and quality, so you can experience the outdoors like never before. Going out for a meal? No problem. Hear everyday words clearly, whether you're ordering food at a busy restaurant or chatting with friends. Its high-quality sound and real-time clarity make communication effortless. Introducing the perfect companion for your everyday life. The advanced hearing aid is lightweight and designed to fit seamlessly into your routine, ensuring you never miss a moment. Whether you are enjoying your favorite TV show or enjoying conversation with friends and family,